going to identify the wet and dry vacuum. So the first one is the cord and the top cover, the handle, the on and off button. So and the lock. So inside the vacuum, there's a main motor and the dusting filter. On the outside of the vacuum, there's a exhaust port and the suction port. The flexible hose, the tube R1 and the two types of nozzle, the dusting brush nozzle, the floor brush nozzle, and the crevice tool. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Maricel Madrigal. Now I can demonstrate the parts of the wet and dry vacuum. And this is a handle, and this is a power on and off. And this is a top cover, and this is a bottle, and this is the body of the vacuum, and this is a exhaust port, and this is a suction cord. Inside is the main motor, and this is a dusting filter. And this is a hose, and this is a tube, and this is a dusting brush, and crevice tool, and this is a floor hard brush, and this is a cord, power cord, and thank you.
And identify to you the parts of vacuum. First, the upper one, this is the handle, and then the on and off, the locking. Then this is the power motor, dusting filter, the power cord, exhaust, suction port, flexible hose, the one, crevice, and then the dusting brush, and then the hard floor brush. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ipil San Pedro, and now we're going to identify the parts of a wet and dry vacuum cleaner machine. We started with the top cover. In the top cover we have the handle, push button and an off, and we have the body, we have the lock, unlock it to open, and then inside we have the main motor, the dust filter. Outside of the vacuum, we have here the suction port. This is the suction port. At the back of the vacuum, we have the exhaust port. We have the hose, the flexible hose. We have here the tube or wand, the floor brush nozzle, the dust brush nozzle, and the crevice tool, the power cord. And that's all, and thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Bhupinder Kumar Sogi. Today, in define vacuum, wet and dry vacuum machine. First, the top cover, the handle, the switch, power off button, this is and the lock, and the main motor, and dust filter, and the power cord, and the suction port, and exhaust, and the flexible hose and tube or one. And the three types of nozzle for floor hard brush nozzle and the dust brush nozzle and the crevice nozzle. This is, thank you.